Hello, plant lovers! Welcome back to GardenWrld, where we share the best tips and tricks for thriving houseplants. If you're looking to elevate your indoor gardening game, stick around because today we're revealing 10 mind-blowing houseplant hacks that will change the way you care for your green friends. Let's dive right in. First up, a DIY self-watering system. All you need is a plastic bottle and some string. Fill the bottle with water, insert a string into the neck, and place it upside down in the soil. The string acts as a wick, slowly hydrating your plant while you're away. Perfect for those busy or vacation days. Next, don't throw away those banana peels. They're packed with nutrients like potassium. Chop them up and bury them in the soil around your plants. As they decompose, they'll release nutrients that boost plant growth. Your leafy friends will love this natural fertilizer. If you have acid-loving plants like ferns or gardenias, used coffee grounds can be your secret weapon. Mix them into the soil to increase acidity and add a dose of nitrogen. Just be sure not to overdo it. Too much can be harmful. A sprinkle every couple of weeks will do the trick. Fungal issues? Try cinnamon. This kitchen staple is a natural antifungal. Simply dust a little on the soil to help prevent fungus and keep your plants healthy. It's an easy, chemical-free solution. Revitalize your plant's roots with hydrogen peroxide. Mix 1 part hydrogen peroxide with 2 parts water and use it to water your plants. This solution oxygenates the roots, promoting healthy growth and helping to prevent root rot. Your plants will feel invigorated. Eggshells make excellent seed starters. They're biodegradable and rich in calcium. Fill half an eggshell with soil, plant a seed, and watch it grow. Once your seedlings are ready, plant the whole thing in the pot, shell and all. It's nature's perfect container. For shiny, healthy leaves, use aloe vera gel. It not only makes leaves sparkle, but also helps protect against pests. Just apply a small amount with a cloth and gently wipe the leaves. It's like a spa day for your plants. Compacted soil can suffocate roots. Use chopsticks to gently poke holes around the soil, increasing airflow and improving drainage. This simple hack ensures your plants get the oxygen they need to thrive. Enhance leaf color with Epsom salt. Mix 1 tablespoon with a gallon of water and use it to water your plants. The magnesium in Epsom salt boosts chlorophyll production, giving your plants a vibrant, healthy look. Finally, keep pests at bay with citrus peels. Place them around your plants to deter ants and other unwanted visitors. Plus, they add a fresh scent to your indoor garden. And there you have it, 10 mind-blowing houseplant hacks that will transform your indoor garden. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more plant care tips. Until next time, happy gardening!